Here's those beautiful burger patties. Look at those, just glistening. Let's build this, shall we? Oh, I'm so excited. Smell those burgers. Wow, it smells so good. Hey, I'm going to teach you something really important before I build this. I want to really share something with you. And at first, you're going to think it's malarkey, but it's really not. Trust me on this, okay? If you're ever going to make a burger or a sandwich at any point for the rest of your life, you really need to know this. So pay attention. Grab a piece of paper. You're going to want to write this down. I'm not even joking with you. This is not a joke. Do not adjust your screen. When you're building something like that and you have protein, whether it's a burger patty is the protein, whether it's like shaved chicken breast on a sandwich, maybe you're doing I don't know, any kind of sandwich, you have protein. The rule of thumb to having the best tasting burger or sandwich, there's a certain rule you have to follow. All strong flavors go below the protein. So if you're building a burger, for example, if you're doing like raw onion, hamburger relish, barbecue sauce, all these big and bold flavors, they go below the protein. On top of the protein is all your light and creamy, your cheese, your mayonnaise, your lettuce, your tomato, all your light and creamy ingredients are on the top. Strong flavors below. Here's why. When you bite into it, based on where your taste buds are on your tongue, it just tastes better, honestly. And some people think, oh, what a load of malarkey. You're just going to chew it all up anyway. It's all going to be all in your mouth anyway. It doesn't matter how it goes in. Incorrect. I mean, in my opinion, here's how you're going to test that theory. From this day forward, I want you to build your next sandwich, your next burger, the way I say it. Flip it upside down so it'd be opposite. So the light and creamy is on the bottom and the strong flavor. Take a bite, taste it, cleanse your palate with water, then put it right side up and taste it my way with the light and creamy on the top and the strong on the bottom. And it just tastes better. It's those first bites, it's that initial introduction of those flavors to your mouth, and you're going to enjoy it that much better by having that process in hand. There's that assembly that you really need to follow.